As the United States continues to maintain air dominance, a revolutionary shift is happening in the way air combat is conducted with the development of Loyal Wingman Drones. These drones represent a cutting-edge advancement in American fighter jet technology, designed to operate alongside manned aircraft, providing critical support, enhancing mission capabilities, and significantly reducing risks to pilots. Let's explore how this technology is shaping the future of American air power. Loyal Wingman drones are designed to act as extensions of manned fighter jets, like the F-35 Lightning II or the forthcoming Next-Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) aircraft. These drones are capable of flying autonomously or semi-autonomously, carrying out important tasks such as reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and precision strikes, allowing human pilots to focus on mission-critical decisions without being overwhelmed by secondary duties. One of the key advantages of these drones is their ability to operate in high-risk environments. Unlike manned fighter jets, which require significant safety considerations, Loyal Wingman drones can be sent into heavily defended enemy areas without the same concern for human life. Whether it's flying through enemy air defenses, jamming radar systems, or identifying enemy positions, these drones enable more aggressive and efficient combat strategies. They can even serve as decoys, drawing enemy fire and diverting attention from manned aircraft. Artificial intelligence, AI, plays a crucial role in the operation of these drones. Equipped with advanced AI systems, Loyal Wingman drones can make real-time decisions on the battlefield. They are able to adapt to changing combat conditions, evading threats, and selecting targets autonomously while still being directed by a human pilot. This autonomy gives pilots greater flexibility, reducing their workload and allowing for faster responses to emerging threats. The versatility of Loyal Wingman drones also makes them a force multiplier. These drones can be equipped with a wide range of weapons and sensors, depending on the mission. Whether providing extra firepower with air-to-air missiles or offering real-time surveillance with advanced sensors, they enhance the overall combat effectiveness of the aircraft they accompany. In conclusion, Loyal Wingman drones are set to play a transformative role in American fighter jet technology. By providing support in dangerous situations, enhancing situational awareness, and expanding the operational capabilities of manned jets, these drones are revolutionizing air combat. As the U.S. continues to invest in and develop this technology, it is clear that Loyal Wingman drones will be a key asset in maintaining American air superiority for years to come.